Hello guys, it's your boy Victor Isivo once again. What's up? How are you doing? I hope you're having fun. To all the first timers coming across this YouTube channel for the very first time, we are in the business of helping you do due diligence with make money online and offline opportunities. If stuff like this is what brings you to YouTube, I want to invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent uploads. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. So, I've been reached out to look at Arbitrage.com, and right here we're on their website, and we want to do due diligence to this platform. They said that they do dollar arbitrage in Nigeria, and we're going to be asking critical questions based on the information available on their website. Real quickly, this keeps moving, but I'm circling it. Whenever it moves, it's back there. It says you take advantage of price differences. You buy euro at 471 and sell for 612. Arbitrage business made easy. Now, they said private membership only. That part is what I don't understand, because any Tom, Dick, and Harry can as well join. It's as simple as that. So the private membership only stuff is something I don't understand. If you are an advocate of this website or you work for them, you can as well help us with answers in the comment section below. This video is about asking questions. Okay, we are not in the business of criticizing people. We are about asking questions and getting clarifications. Okay, and when we ask these critical questions, it will inform the decision of potential investors whether or not to go into the business. And if they want to go into the business, they are going to determine how much risk they want to take based on the issues highlighted. It said it's Nigeria's first and private arbitrage platform. They said we help you source for USD, BPP, GBP, and euros at good rates and help you sell it at black market rates, all in one arbitrage platform. Disclaimer: Arbitrage is not a financial institution and does not source from CBN or banks. Arbitrage is not an investment company or advisor. Arbitrage is a private membership and commission-based business. Services provided are exclusive to private members only, not to the general public. Let me counterpunch. Private members only. Private members only, not to the general public. These statements are statements that are geared towards avoiding the zoom lenses of the regulatory bodies. Private members, how? Anybody can sign up. Anybody can sign up for this business. Anybody that hears about this, just hit the registration button, you sign up, and when you log in, you have access to their WhatsApp group. There is nothing private about this. There's nothing private about it. It's like a regular company. It's like, I'm giving you an instance now. A regular company that has a website, they have a register page, they have a login page. The fact that somebody has to register before they access a business does not make it private, because there are no restrictions. Anybody that hits the registration button, they are welcome to the party. So there is nothing like private membership here. Okay? I'm seeing it here as well. Private membership only. Maybe they were advised that if they use this word, then the regulatory bodies would have the feeling that, okay, they are not sourcing money from the general public. But it is what it is. Anybody can register. Anybody can register, bro. Let's continue interacting. So it says Nigeria's first dollar arbitrage platform. Okay. They said Arbitrage will handle all the arbitrage within hours, and you will get the black market value after successful sale. Make sure you watch out for my counterpunch at the end of this video. It's going to be interesting. He said, how is it possible? He said, we source for US dollar and euro at standard market rates from private bodies and individuals and sell to third parties at the black market. We also source for dollar, GBP, euro using other means and strategies that cannot be shared publicly. Now they are using the word private, like everything is shady and hidden. You see, one of the things that puts me on red alert is when I cannot sufficiently explain the business model I'm about to invest in. Remember, don't invest in what you don't understand. Okay? For them to say using other means and strategies that cannot be shared publicly, it means that there is something they have to hide. It means that there are questions, critical questions that they cannot provide answers to. And when you cannot provide answers to stuff, it's a red flag. Okay? We keep going now. They give a typical example. They say if you fund your arbitrage with $100, okay, if you fund your arbitrage account with $100 at the arbitrage rate of 480, which is 48,000, and sell it at black market at your dashboard at the rate of 610, sales can take up to 8 hours. After sales, your account will be credited with the equivalent black market value of 61,000 naira. You see? This is what they say they're all about. And they said that note, Arbitrage will charge you 10 to 11% transaction fee. The fee is used to settle connectors and other third parties. They said reasonable fees. They talk about their currency. They have commonly asked questions. Okay. They said, who is the private founder of Arbitrage? And they said it is owned by Idowu Emmanuel. Idowu Emmanuel. A combination of a Yoruba name and an English surname. Idowu Emmanuel. Now you're trying to answer a question even though you don't want the people asking to get the answer. Idowu Emmanuel. No picture, no LinkedIn page, no social media handle, nothing. You're saying the person is Idowu Emmanuel, and you use the word an underground arbitrage business expert. Underground arbitrage business expert. Counterpunch. You are trying to explain, but at the same time, you are trying to hide. Idowu Emmanuel, underground arbitrage. What is underground about this? Why is everything private, underground, but you want my money and you are giving me underground information? Hello? I mean, you can't want my money and be giving me underground information. First of all, you said that your methods are hidden and they cannot be made public. The way you go about your arbitrage, they cannot be made public. At the same time, you are giving us the name of your CEO as if you want to be transparent with us. Now, when you want to describe that CEO whose name you gave, you say is an underground person. Probably that's why you don't want us to know who that person is. Okay? Let me counterpunch. Now, this number that they have put here for due diligence, asking questions on WhatsApp, I actually chatted with the number, and I'll show you the chat. Now, here is the chat. I said, hello, good morning. I have a few questions. When I was doing this chat, the person was online. I said, who exactly, look at the questions I asked. Who exactly is the CEO or founder of Arbitrage? People need more than just a random name. Bars. I said, what is your physical address or location? Bars. Having access to buy US dollars very low and sell very high. Why did you not just get a loan and do these things privately? Why come public and accepting public funds? Bars. Bars. Arbitrage is buying low somewhere and selling high elsewhere. But all the arbitrage that they claim they are doing, it is done right there on Arbitrage. They have people that they call resellers. You buy the dollar from them, very low. Then you go to everything's happening on your dashboard, bro. You go and sell it at their so-called black market. Now, the question is, those resellers that are coming to sell to you very low, don't they know the road to the black markets to go and sell it by themselves? Honestly, if I can come to you and sell a commodity that is selling for 1,000 and I sell it to you for 200, Why do I have to sell it to you for 200? Don't I know the road to that place where they sell it to 1,000 and go and sell it by myself? Bars. Critical question. Okay. Now, I said, 4. To solicit and accept funds publicly and pay returns, you need to be regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission in Nigeria. Are you regulated? Then the last question, I said, why should people trust you in view of all the questions and issues I raised above? You see, I asked this question by 6:37. Okay? 6:37 a.m. Okay? And I thanked him here. Do you know that by 11 a.m., this person still had not responded 5 hours later? I said, you are deliberately ignoring these key questions because apparently you have no answers. Ignoring these questions is an obvious red flag. Thanks for making this easy. Just about when I was going to get angry that the CEO ignored me, I interacted with a friend of mine who told me that he had also been ignored by the CEO and the CEO does not answer critical questions. But if it is time for you to discuss how you're going to deposit or how you're going to do the business and bring money on board, the CEO is very fast to respond. He asked this question: "Good afternoon, sir. I want to appreciate the work you're doing to help your fellow countrymen. But to be confident and assured, at least we should know about you more. If you can give us a video of you talking about the platform, we can trust the company more. Thank you." The CEO did not respond. The CEO is like, what's wrong with this boy? You want to bring out my leg? I gave you my name, Idowu Emmanuel. If anything happens now, you people should carry bell and be ringing around. Idowu Emmanuel, Idowu Emmanuel. I'll just be looking at you people like you people are going gaga. You can't find me. Hello, this boy is asking me to do a video. Video call, video ni. And, when he went ahead, to ask about how he can become a reseller, the CEO answered saying, to become a reseller, you must have done a total transaction of over $1,000 and the minimum startup fund is 1 million naira. You understand, when you're trying to give conditions that will be difficult for somebody to meet, you start calling ridiculous numbers. He's trying to discourage you from trying to become a reseller because the resellers, people are suspecting that the resellers, they are working with the owner. They are all together in this business, sharing this secret. You are reselling cheap to me so that I'll go and say hi. You don't know the route to where they sell high. You don't have the transport fare to go and sell high by yourself. You like me too much. You want me to become rich. You cannot go and sell high by yourself. It's ridiculous. These conditions that they gave for you to become a reseller, if you meet the condition, they will increase the requirements. Go and meet the CEO now and say, I have done over $1,000 transaction and I have the minimum of 1 million naira startup fund. They will say, oh, unfortunately, the conditions have increased. You have to do over 10,000 US dollars transaction and you have to have 10 million startup fund. Because you, as an ordinary member, it's not likely you can become a reseller. The reseller, it is they themselves, them. So I interacted with one of the very vocal guys I met on the arbitrage group, and I expressed concerns, about the, modus operandi. And, he was very vocal on the group, like he was one of those that were, helping people solve problems. So I was thinking, okay, this guy would know a lot about the platform. So I interacted with him privately, asking him about my concerns. Listen to the audio that he sent to me.
It's just kind of Peter and Paul something. I asked all those questions even before I was joining too. The thing is just that it is not a legit platform. Nobody should enjoy this. I will not say it in the group, but it's not a legit platform. But for the information, it's just tipping. So just you're not allergic to just participating, taking risks. That's just what we're just doing. saying is actually true. So there is no arbitrage. This is just a kind of bitter and pork something.
You heard it. You heard it yourself. These participant who is very active on the group, helping people solve issues, opened up privately saying this is not a legitimate company, that it's just paying for now. They are just participating. Nobody should invest what they can't afford to lose. Okay? I also went ahead and I interacted with one of the people on their WhatsApp groups, and he said the same thing, that he asked a question: what does it take for him, to actually become a reseller? Because it is suspected that these resellers are, part of the plan. They are part of this team of arbitrage. Okay? Because if the reseller thing is not open to the public, then then we begin to suspect, like, okay, it is them. They are the ones. Because this is the conversation my friend said he had. He said, "Hi, good morning. Please, how can I join your team of reseller? I am very active in business of this kind." Now, the response is, to become a reseller, you must have done a total transaction of over $1,000, and the minimum startup fund is 1 million naira. Now, the person goes ahead to ask, can I partner with someone who already achieved this for now? Now, the reason my friend is asking this question is because we want to ascertain that an ordinary member that joined the business ordinarily grew to become a reseller. Let it not be that the resellers, they are all the ones behind this business, behind the scene, hiding everything. They are the ones. Why can't an ordinary participant grow and become a reseller like these guys? Because there is a suspicion of something shady going on behind the scene. Okay? You're doing arbitrage all in one platform. If you can do this arbitrage all in one platform, you probably wouldn't be in the public domain asking people for their money. You would do it privately. The resellers that are selling low to you so that you can go and sell high, can't they follow you to that place and go and sell high too? They don't like profit. I mean, these are critical questions that people should ask. This website is saying everything is hidden, shady. We can't say it out in the public. The company is owned by one Idowu Emmanuel. Do you know how many Idowu Emmanuel that exists in the world? I mean, do you know how many Idowu Emmanuels that exist in the world? December is coming, guys. December is coming. December is coming, guys. That's all I can say. Watch out for December. Things are going to happen. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have answers to these questions that I asked, probably you should leave them in the comment section below. Share this video with anybody who needs to see it. And of course, please subscribe. And you guys may counterpunch in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.